Hello students, good evening. Today we are going to discuss accounting treatment in the case of investment fluctuation fund. Accounting treatment in the case of investment fluctuation fund. First of all, we will understand investment fluctuation fund. What is investment fluctuation fund? Okay. Investment fluctuation fund or reserve is a such type of fund which we prepare for the meeting of the losses in the investment. Okay, means if in your balance sheet there is one item investment of rupees 1 lakh, okay, and here we are maintaining investment fluctuation fund in the side of liability. What? Suppose 20,000. So the value of investments always be up and down. Okay. So if any increment in the value of investments, then that will be considered as a profit for the concern. And if any loss, any decrease in the value of investment, that will consider as a loss for the concern. So whatever loss we are getting in the value of investment, if the market value of investment is less than book value, then we are getting loss. So these loss we will meet up from where? From this fund. We prepare the investment fluctuation fund. Means whatever loss we are getting, if any decrease, if any decrement in the value of investment, then we will meet up to that loss from investment fluctuation fund. Getting you all? So I mean to say कि whatever loss is coming in the value of investment, and for meeting up that type of loss, which fund we prepare, that is called investment fluctuation fund. Getting you all? So this is the meaning of investment fluctuation fund or reserve, you can say. So we are going to discuss what accounting treatment in the case of investment fluctuation fund. Getting you all? So what will be the general entry? Okay. Case 1. If this is the book value and the market value of investment, in the first case the market value of investment is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, in the first case, what I am saying, in the case number 1, if the book value and market value of investment is same. Case number 1, if the book value this is and market value this is, means both value are equal, what entry will be done at that time? Means there is no any loss, there is no any profit. So whatever fund we are having at the time of admission of a new partner, whatever investment fluctuation fund we are having, and there is no change in the value of investment, means book value or market value both are the same. So all fund will be distributed in the partner's capital account in the old ratio. Getting you all? So the first case is when the book value of investment, book value and market value of investment is same. So entry will be done. What entry will be done? The entry will be done investment fluctuation fund account debit to old partners capital account. Okay, to partners capital account in old ratio. This was the first case. Getting over? In the first case, where book value and market value investment will same, then investment fluctuation fund account debit to partners capital account. This is the first case. Case number 2. Case number 2. When the amount book value of investment. Case number 2. When market value of investment is less than book value. What? When market value of investment is less than book value. Okay. So what we are seeing, suppose in second case, case number 2, market value is rupees 80,000, 90,000, sorry. Okay, 90,000. When book value of investment is less than book, when market value is less than book value, then what we will do? Entry means I have fund of rupees 20,000 and I am getting loss. You can match this. 1,90,000 means the getting loss is rupees 10,000. Okay. So this loss we will set off from investment fluctuation fund. Okay. And remaining balance we will distribute in what? Distribute in partners capital account. Okay. Very good. So see here, when market value of investment is less than book value, the entry will be investment fluctuation fund. Investment fluctuation fund account debit to investment to partners capital account. Okay, so the amount is investment fluctuation fund 20,000. Okay, 10,000 loss and to partners capital account 10,000 in old ratio. In the case number 2, we will do investment fluctuation fund account debit 20,000 to investment rupees 10,000 and to partners capital 10,000. Getting you all? Any doubt? No. Case number 3. Case number 3. Okay. When market value of investment, okay, means or when amount of loss is equal to investment fluctuation fund. When amount of loss is equal to investment fluctuation fund. Suppose case number 3. When market value of investment is rupees 80,000, then amount of loss is 20,000. Amount of loss is 20,000 and this loss is equal to investment fluctuation fund. We will set off to this loss from investment fluctuation fund. What entry will be done? Okay, case number 3. When amount of investment fluctuation fund is same to loss in the value of investment, then entry will be investment fluctuation fund account debit to investment. Amount 20,000. Getting over? Getting? When this amount is equal to this amount, means the loss is equal to this amount. So all amount we will transfer to where? To meeting up to that losses, investment fluctuation fund account debit to investment. You can see here. Getting? Case number 4. Case number 4. Okay. When book value is more than investment value. When book value is more than investment value. I am giving example. Sorry, market value of investment of rupees, suppose 60,000. Market value of investment is 60,000. In that case, the loss of 40,000. Loss 40,000, and of this loss, 20,000 we will set off from here. 20,000 we will set off from here, and remaining 20,000 we will transfer where? In revaluation account. Getting over? So what we can see, when case number 4, when market value of investment, or when amount of, you can say when amount of investment fluctuation fund is less than value of loss in investment. So what entry will be done? Entry will be done investment fluctuation fund account debit, revaluation account debit to investment. Getting? So investment fluctuation fund 20,000, remaining balance 20,000 in revaluation, and then 40,000 we will transfer in investment. Investment fluctuation fund account debit 20,000, revaluation 20,000 debit to investment 40,000. This was the case number 4. So all these cases you can see here. Case number 1, 2, 3, 4. When book value and market value is same, all the amount of investment fluctuation fund we will distribute in the partners capital account. You can see here. Okay. When when market value of investment is less than book value, means from that amount we will set off. Suppose the fund is 20,000. I have fund of the rupees 20,000 and lost 10,000. The remaining balance of the fund will be distributed in partners capital account 10,000. You can see here. Third case, when amount of investment fluctuation fund is same to loss is loss in value of investment. So investment fluctuation fund account debit to investment means all fund we will utilize to meet up to that loss. And case number 4, when amount of investment fluctuation fund is what? Less than value of loss in investment. So what we are, suppose the value, market value of investment is 60,000 and we are getting loss 40,000 and loss 40,000, and we set off to this loss from 20,000 from fund and 20,000 from revaluation account. Investment fluctuation fund account debit 20,000, revaluation debit 20,000 to investment 40,000. So this is the case number 4. Okay. Next. बात तो हो गई लॉस की. अब when in market value of investment is more than book value, market value of investment is more than book value, then all fund we will distribute, okay, in the partners capital account. Okay. Case number 5, when market value MV is more than book value, then what we will do? All fund we will distribute where? Partners capital account. Investment fluctuation fund debit to partners capital account. Okay, and one more entry, the profit, whatever profit. Suppose the value of fund is 1,20,000. Means 1,20,000 means we are getting profit of the rupees 20,000. This will also be distributed in partners capital account. So how we will distribute? Through revaluation account. Means this amount we will transfer in revaluation account. So see here what we will transfer in revaluation account. So entry will be investment debit to revaluation 20,000, and then after revaluation account debit to partners capital account 20,000. So this is the case number 5. All the cases I have done in this lecture, in this video. You can understand. If you have any problem, then you can ask me in comments. And if you are getting this video, so please like, share and subscribe. For today, thank you very much.